Hi and welcome to Lusha's API Hub. In this quick walkthrough, I'll guide you through everything you need to get started, how to navigate the hub, useful tips, and what you can do with our API. Now let's kick it off on the home page. Right at the front, you've got direct access to the API documentation, along with other useful tabs like Quick Start, which includes useful resources, and changelog to stay up to date with the latest changes, and of course, Q&As. Now, what can you do with the API? So the API is built around three main buckets of enrichment. Person API to enrich any kind of contact information like name, email, phone number, job title, etc. Company API to get detailed firmographic data like industry, size, revenue, and more. And Prospecting API, this is where you can discover new leads, contacts, and companies that match your ICP. For those who prefer a no-code experience, we've got pre-built connectors available on popular platforms. Just plug and play, it's super simple. Now, if there's an integration that you need and it's not listed, just reach out to our team. We're happy to help explore new options. Now, inside the documentation tab, you'll find complete API references, rate limits, error codes, and if you hit one, this is your go-to place to understand what's going on. Now, all the enrichment categories we talked about are broken down here. Person enrichment, company enrichment, and prospecting, including contact filters, company filters, and enrichment or search flows. Account management, check your usage balance, and more. You can try out the API right inside the doc. Use the mock server to simulate responses and test structure, or switch to the production server, plug in your API key within the security tab, and run live queries. Now, if you've noticed something that's off, use the Report a Problem button on any doc page to send feedback directly to our team. That way, we can improve things fast and any updates will show up in the changelog section. You'll also find a Q&A tab with answers to common questions, API use case articles that walk you through real workflows, a quick start guide to get up and running in minutes, and info on our MCP, which is a separate server option available for some users. Thanks for watching. We hope this gives you a solid overview of what you can do in the API Hub.